Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Yes, my people, manners and respect to each and every one. Dancehall skilla there again. See, yeah, my people. So I'm going to start with a topic that I'm going to try and explain a little bit about the topic or a video in a family-friendly way, or as family-friendly as possible. So listen carefully. So, in a video that I'm about to present to you, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person confessed of doing something with someone that a person we can hear talking in a video called transvestite, or what another person we can hear talking in a video called transgender. Now, when I said that the person said some words in the video that gave me the understanding that the person confessed that the person did something with someone, that's something in a family-friendly way I call amorous activity. For you to get a better understanding as to what I'm talking about or what I'm talking about, I think it would be best if you look and listen to this video for yourself. Oh, and please bear in mind that some words said in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me and listen carefully.
What you say you go do? What you tell him say, father?
Tell him say, Rasta, listen to a bobo, do not follow Negril Beach and no fear. You tell me say, so look one man, don't know what Rasta but next thing me hear Rasta go transvestite.
What you say happen to the and the tightest?
That save me, man, like I'm going to tell him. I save me, I'm going to tell him, man, I'm over sunrise and say, man, I'm going to breathe this up, man, the tightest.
Yeah.
So me I tell him, man, I'm over there, you know.
Yeah.
And I say, oh, and tonight me I go breathe, you know. He said, I go back 15 cars, if you have the night.
Yeah.
I saw a man come from so. I saw a next man come from and say, Rasta, I want a man that, and I say, man, you're bomb. Fire song, man, you're mad. I fought last night.
Yeah.
The man said, boom, boom, Rasta, you know.
Oh my.
And the man is crying, man, and say, Rasta, you really don't know no. Oh, God.
Oh, God. So you left from Bobo Hill, come and Negril for transgender. Jaja. You can't go back to Bobo Hill, though.
No, man, I tell you that, man. I want to with them, me not attack my brother, them still not look them fast.
Jaja, cause you need know.
I never know that,
So you see why cars will be disobedient.
So he take with the sight.
It licking nerve cell, him blind from that.
Oh my God.
So no medication can't help him
No,
again.
cause the nerves.
I licking brain cell, you know. Licking eye nerves.
So the transgender now come back a west side.
We don't know what blood.
Chano, when you don't know, you don't know. When you don't know. Hey, I hope that this video can help bring some form of awareness. Let me say these words. See, you see the way the world are run right, you know, the way how certain things are happening in this world, especially if you're the type of person who have certain type of religious belief and so forth. I think it is best for you to be careful, you understand? Because sometimes you will out in the public and you see somebody and think that the person is a female when that might not be true or might not be accurate, and you might see another person and think that the person is a male and it might not go so neither. See, so many times when I see some people out there, because I do you see them dress and so forth, me they even know what to believe, so I just keep my head straight. You understand? It's, I tell you, set away, you know, don't get me wrong. Me not business with nobody and their lifestyle. Still, you mean so I say me I'm gonna point out certain things based on me every person that the video and so forth. It's set away, you know. Yeah, hopefully that video can bring some awareness. Let me know what you think about that situation, my people. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all So I saw a post that had been made on a social media page or account for the Jamaica Constabulary Force pertaining to some type of wrong information that had been put out there about a person who had been taken into police custody and about a Jamaica Defense Force soldier who had been shot and killed. You see me, I said, yes, I got some from my understanding about some unconfirmed information put out there. You see me, I say, and in my point of view, I say, sure. Yeah, them information it just never seems totally okay at the time for me. See me, but let me read some of the words from the post that I saw on social media from the Jamaica Constabulary Force social media page or account. Let me see. Let me try and read some of the words. If I miss any, I saw it go. Alright, so let me start from here. So the Jamaica Constabulary Force has taken note of reports circulating in both social and mainstream media suggesting that a serving member of the JCF has been arrested in connection with the homicide of Jamaica Defense Force JDF private, and see the name right there. So let me say, well, no, I am not so good in names, but based on reports that I listen to and based on posts that I've made on social media, the name is pronounced E.J. Danville. See? Some more words in the same post say that we wish to categorically state that these reports are false. You hear that? No serving member of the JCF has been taken into custody in relation to this matter. As part of the investigation into the death of Private Danville, which occurred on Friday, August 23rd, 2024 in Kingston, detectives from the JCF have pursued several lines of inquiry. On Saturday, September 28, 2024, at approximately 12:10 p.m., police apprehended a 31-year-old resident of Charles Street. This individual was subsequently taken to the Major Investigations Division (MID) for questioning. Now, people want to listen to that part here, because I think that part of the post says something, you know. See? Listen to this part. Some more words I'm seeing at the post said that it is important to clarify that the individual in question is not a serving member of the JCF. He was dismissed as a trainee from the force over 2 years ago. Following an unrelated incident, his apprehension occurred during the course of the investigation, but is not directly connected to the death of the JDF private. You hear them words there? I know, me said these words, you know, at the post. So, I see on social media, on a social media page or account for the Jamaica Constabulary Force. You understand me? Anyways, listen to the part carefully to you. The JCF urges the public and media outlets to ensure that information is thoroughly verified before being disseminated. And more words there. Media outlets. Public. Alright, so my people, now let me read some of the comments that have been made on that post that I saw on the social media page or account. Viewers, subscribers. So may I say, listen carefully, just read some of the comments them where had been made on social media by some person. See? So one comment from someone said, I'm not surprised appear cover Guan INNA government system. I think the INNA mean inner. Another comment from someone said, thanks for the clarification, JCF. Another comment there, so I said, wow. Yes, I heard the report several times on mainstream media. So he is a former trainee of the JCF. How the media knew that he had, has some bracket farmer connection with the force. Alright, so because another comment from someone said, they said ex-cop, not a serving member. Alright, so let me see if we can read this. Yes, so it seems to be some type of a reply to a comment. He still isn't a member because he didn't complete basic training and swear in to become a member of the JCF. All right, some more comments there. So, all right, another comment from someone said, cannot count on NNN to carry credible news. NNN. Anyway, so another comment from someone said, the news media published the news. Another comment from someone said, so he's neither a serving member or a ex-constable BCS. He didn't even complete training. The media need to better. Some more comments there, my people. You know what I say? Yeah. Some more comments there, but we'll just read out some of them too. Yeah, so we get some unconfirmed information pertaining to the whole situation where it is said that a soldier had been killed at a certain location in Jamaica and so on and so on. And I said to myself, about them information are so accurate. You know what I mean? And come on, you know, so yeah, so see the post there. Just make you know about the post. Alright. I think here's where I'm going to leave it still, my people. Yeah, big up and respect to each and everyone. And if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?